You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion.
Hello super amazing scholars, you're welcome to another interesting lesson. Our topic in this video is Africa's climate, vegetation and landforms. So now let's quickly look at the things that we are going to learn about. We're going to learn about the vegetation, landforms, rivers and lakes in Africa, as well as African and okay, so let's get started. First of all, we'll start with the vegetation of Africa. The first type of vegetation we'll talk about is the desert. Now, what is a desert? A desert is a hot and dry area. A desert is a hot and dry area where there is no water. And so because of that, plants and animals can hardly survive in a desert. It's a place without water. There's just sand there, and the sand is usually very hot, so it's very uncomfortable for any kind of life, be it animal or plant life. Okay, now the biggest and hottest desert in the whole world is the Sahara Desert, and it is found in Africa. Okay, there are other important deserts. There are other deserts in Africa, like the Kalahari Desert and the Namib Desert. So that's about it for desert. Now, another type of vegetation is the rainforest. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a place that has lots of rainfall and many big trees. A rainforest is a place that has lots of rainfall and many big trees. A rainforest is good for farming activities because, as you know, crops need water to grow. So the rain in the rainforest helps crops to grow properly. So the rainforest is good for farming. Now, another type of vegetation we'll talk about is the savanna. The savanna is a place that has moderate amount of rainfall. By moderate, I mean the rainfall is not too much and it is not too little. Okay, the savanna is also good for farming activities, but is better for cattle grazing. So in the savanna we can carry out farming activities and we can also graze cattle. Now let's go over to landforms. Under landforms, the first landform we'll talk about is mountain regions. Now Africa is blessed with a lot of mountains. The highest mountain in Africa is called Mount Kilimanjaro. The highest mountain in Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay, another very high mountain in Africa is the Atlas Mountain. Okay, now let's go over to another type of landform, which is plateau. A plateau is a land area that is above the sea level. A plateau is a highland area that is higher than the sea level. Now let's go over to plain. What is a plain? A plain is a flat area of land. A plain is a flat area of land. Now let's go over to the rivers and lakes in Africa. Africa is blessed with lots and lots and lots of rivers and lakes, okay? And the longest river in the whole world is the River Nile. At this point, I feel very blessed to be an African because River Nile is found in Africa and it is the longest river in the whole world. You can see the biggest desert in the whole world is in Africa, and the longest river in the whole world is also in Africa, which is the River Nile. Okay, there are other very important rivers in Africa like Zambezi, Limpopo, Orange, and Congo. Okay, those are some other important rivers in Africa. Now let's go over to animal life. Africa is blessed with lots and lots and lots and lots of animals. Okay, now there are over 1,590 different kinds of animals in Africa. You can beat that. There are over 1,590 different kinds of animals in Africa. Okay, so with that, we have come to the end of the class. Thank you very much for being a part of this class. I hope you will be a part of the next class too. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.